So okay, so moving on from what you were saying about styles, so are you rigid with the styles that you sort of jump on and the genres and stuff like that, or the beats and the instrumentation that you use, or is it always the same? Or do you like to experiment? What do you think about experimenting as well? Bouncing
I've
off
got
that.
lots of different opinions on it. I think I've definitely like changed my style in a way from the first thing that I ever released. I was a bit more neo soul at the start, and I would say I'm more like alternative R&B, like a bit more American inspired. But that's just how it's happened. I have experimented quite a lot. I've like done a D&B song. I've done like a bit more like electronic. I've done like more like pop things. Like I've been signed before. I've had management, and they very influenced me in some of the stuff that I wrote. And as much as the songs were good and I've learned to love them, I didn't love them at the time. And now when I reflect back on it, I feel like I should have always released stuff that I really loved.
Why didn't you love them at the time?
They just didn't feel like me. They felt like I know I'd wrote it, but it didn't feel like me. I was listening to it and I was like, is this me? And yeah, as I said, I learned to love it, which is maybe that's not a good thing.
Yeah, we partners sometimes. Joking. No, I'm joking. You don't. You love them straight away.
But I'm saying it is good to experiment, because it's also good because you might absolutely love the song you make, and it's always good to push boundaries and work with different producers, because you come up with some interesting things and just like work, and it pushes you out of your boat, because I'm sometimes so like, I want to do this and I want to do it my way, and it actually forces me to see the bigger picture and realize that people from different genres can help the song make it better and slightly different to what I thought. So I think it is good. I've just been doing some reflecting recently of like, oh, maybe I shouldn't have released that if I didn't want to. But I think everything happens for a reason. Yeah, and I'm glad they released, because I'm here now. So yeah.
Okay, amazing. And what do you think, Jay? Are you someone that sticks to one style, or do you think there should be some sort of movement, fluidity within your...
I think there should be movement and fluidity. Art imitates life, right? So if you're not growing over life, then you're stagnant. So your music should grow and change, either with your audience or at the pace that you're growing as a human being. So like in terms of my earlier stuff, it was very, as I was saying, boom bap hip hop, very American inspired. And as I kind of did my own history around like where hip hop comes from, obviously New York, but then by proxy, the Caribbean, Jamaica, and then obviously the tradition of actually rapping over rhythms is from West Africa, from the role of the griot, an oral history keeper and poet. And so like when I had that understanding, I was like, yo, I want to start experimenting more with those cultural sounds, and that led me down the reggae path, and then here I am. So I think it's like being open to experimenting and just growing in your sound. I think initially, particularly speaking from a rap perspective, it's I rap over these types of beats and this is what I sound like. And it's like, nah, that's whack. Actually be open to that growth, and your music will take you places that you didn't think possible, for sure.
Yeah, definitely. The way I see it is we are artists, and we shouldn't restrict ourselves to a certain type of art in a way. So if I was to paint a picture, I can use chalk, I can use watercolor, and I see all them different, they're like genres, if you know what I mean. So like Akemi said, you're the one that glues it all together, that makes it consistent, because you're the one on those genres. Do you know what I mean? So you've got your style that your style should be able to move on anything really. But yeah, that's the way that I see it.
Yeah, your wonder on DMB, the same wonder that would be wonder on hip hop.
Yeah, trust me. So yeah, you're the one that makes the style, isn't it? And then you can sort of like weave in and out of different genres.